Hello everyone, my name is Annu from BSc Chemistry Honors final year. Today's my topic is organosulfur compounds. So start introduction. Sulfur is known to form many organic compounds which may be considered as sulfur containing counterparts of compounds having oxygen. For instance, thiols RSH are sulfur analogous of alcohols. ROH and thioethers are sulfur analogous of ethers. The chemical behavior of these sulfur compound is quite similar to corresponding compound containing oxygen. Sulfur lie below oxygen in periodic table. Compared to oxygen, its atomic size is quite large. As a result, organic compounds which are sulfur containing counterparts of carbonyl compounds, means compounds having carbon sulfur double bond C double bond S, are not known to exist commonly. This is due to reluctance of large sized sulfur atom to form pi bond by sideway overlap of its 3p orbital with the p orbitals of the other atoms. The sulfur atom neither sideway overlap of its 3p orbital with the p orbital of other atom. The sulfur atoms neither form 3p pi bond amongst themselves. Remember that sulfur exists in cyclic S8 structure having only sigma bonds, nor do they form stable pi bond with other atoms such as carbon by 3p2p overlapping. It may be pointed out, however, that some thiocarbonyl compounds such as carbamides do exist in relatively stable form. This may be due to resonance, which decrease the double bond character of thiocarbonyl, means C double bond S group as shown below. It is interesting to note that there also exist many organosulfur compound containing sulfur oxygen bond with large double bond characters. Sulfoxide such as dimethyl sulfoxide CH3 2SO and sulfonic acid such as benzene sulfonic acid are common example of such compounds. The formation of such compound can be explained in terms of p pi d pi bonding, as explained a little later by considering the structural feature of sulfonic acid. Thiols or thioalcohols are sulfur containing counterparts of alcohols. They contain the group SH in their molecule and may be represented as RSH. The prefix thio indicates that sulfur has replaced oxygen of alcohols. Thiols react with mercuric oxide to form mercuric salts and are therefore also known as mercaptans. Mercurium means mercury, captans means catching. They may also be treated as alkyl derivative of hydrogen sulfide and are therefore sometimes referred to as hydrosulfides. Nomenclature. In the common system, thiols are named by adding the word mercaptan as a separate word to the name of alkyl group attached to SH. In the IUPAC system, they are named in same way as alcohols, except that the suffix used is thiols in place of ol. The common IUPAC name of few thiols are given. CH3SH, common name methyl mercaptan, IUPAC name methane thiol. CH3CH2SH, common name is methyl mercaptan, IUPAC name is ethane thiol. Compound CH3CHSH, common name is isopropyl mercaptan, IUPAC name is propane 2-thiol. Compound CH3CH2CH2CH2SH, common name is N-butyl mercaptan, IUPAC name is butane 1-thiol. In compound which also contain other functional group of higher priority, SH group is denoted by the prefix mercapto. It may be pointed out that OH group is assigned the higher priority than SH both in numbering and naming. Thus we have structural feature. Sulfur electronic configuration is 3s2 3px2 3py1 3pz1. Take part in the formation of thioalcohol in sp3 hybridized form in the ground state. Two of the hybridized orbital having one electron each form sigma bond with carbon and hydrogen respectively. The other two orbital contain a lone pair of electron in each of them. Therefore, as in case of alcohols, thiols molecule also have bent structure, although the CSH bond angle is lesser than COH angle in alcohols. For example, methane thiol may be represented as. Like alcohols, thiols are also polar compound, although the degree of polarity of SH bond is very low as compared to the high degree of polarity of OH bond. This is because the electronegativity of sulfur is much less than that of oxygen. Method of formation. Thiols may be represented by the following method of preparation from alkyl halide. Thiols can be prepared by heating alkyl halide with excess of potassium or sodium hydrosulfide. RX plus KSH formed RSH plus KX. Mechanism. This reaction is a typically nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halide with hydrosulfide anion SH. If hydrosulfide is not used in excess, considerable amount of thioethers may also be formed by further reaction as shown below. Second is from sodium alkyl sulfates or p-toluene sulfonic esters. Thiols can also be prepared by heating sodium hydrosulfide with sodium alkyl sulfate or p-toluene sulfonic esters. Third is from alcohols by passing a mixture of alcohol vapor and hydrogen sulfide over heated thoria catalyst. Second is by heating an alcohol with phosphorus penta or trisulfide. Fourth is from Grignard reagent. Reaction of Grignard reagent with sulfur followed by hydrolysis also leads to formation of thiols. Fifth is from alkenes. Alkenes add on hydrogen sulfide to form thiols in accordance with Markovnikov's rule. In the presence of organic peroxide, however, anti-Markovnik addition take place. Sixth is hydrolysis of thioesters. When hydrolyzed in acidic or basic medium, thioester yield thiols. Seventh is by reaction between alkyl halide and thiourea. Probably the best method for the laboratory preparation of thiols is by reaction between alkyl halide and thiourea, which is a strong nucleophile. A nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place to form an intermediate S-alkyl isothiouronium salt. This salt on hydrolysis with a base gives thiol in excellent yield. Physical properties. First is physical state. Methane thiol is a gas while higher thiols are colorless volatile liquid at room temperature. Lower members have extremely strong and offensive smell while higher members have mild odor. The odor of freshly chopped onions is due to propane 1-thiol, while that of garlic is partially due to propane 2-in-1-thiol. Small quantities of ethane thiol are added to LPG to serve as odor-based warning against leakage of gas. Second is boiling point. Due to lack of intermolecular hydrogen bonding in them, boiling point of the lower thiols are lesser than those of corresponding alcohols. However, thiols having 8 or more carbon atoms have slightly higher boiling point than corresponding alcohols. This is because the molecular masses of thiols are somewhat higher than those of alcohols, while the hydrogen bonding in higher alcohols is not significant. Third is solubility. Thiols are practically insoluble in water. This is due to non-formation of hydrogen bonding between the thiols and water. Chemical properties. The chemical behavior of thiols is in general similar to that of alcohols, but the two classes of compounds also differ from each other in certain respects. The difference in their behavior is essentially due to following reason. Sulfur atom has large size and smaller electronegativity than oxygen. Sulfur can be easily oxidized to higher oxidation states. The important reaction of thiols are discussed below. First is acidic nature. Thiols are weakly acidic in nature, but their acidic character is considerably stronger than that of alcohols. pKa value of C2H5SH is 8.5, while that of C2H5OH is 15.9. Unlike alcohols, thiols react with alkalis to form salt known as mercaptides. The greater acidic character of thiols than alcohols is rather unexpected because sulfur is less electronegative than oxygen, but it is possibly due to the following reasons. First is the SH bond is weaker than OH bond. Bond energy of SH bond in thiols is about 330 kilojoule per mole, while that of OH bond in alcohol is about 420 kilojoule per mole. As a result, SH bond break more readily than OH bond. Second is the anion Rs negative formed as the conjugate base of thiols is more stable than Ro negative because the former can accommodate negative charge more easily than Ro negative due to large size of sulfur. The greater acidic character of thiols as compared to alcohols can also be understood in terms of the fact that thiols are alkyl derivative of hydrogen sulfide, while alcohols are regarded as alkyl derivatives of water. Since hydrogen sulfide is a stronger acid than water, pKa value of hydrogen sulfide is 7 and pKa value of water is 15.7. Their alkyl derivative means thiols are also stronger acid than the alkyl derivative of water. Second is reaction with active metals. Thiols react with active metals like sodium to form mercaptides with the evolution of hydrogen. Third is reaction with metallic oxide and metallic salt. Like hydrogen sulfide, thiols react with a number of heavy metallic oxide and salt such as those of lead, mercury and gold to form water insoluble mercaptides. Since lead mercaptides form a yellow precipitate, this reaction can be used as a test for thiols. Fourth is formation of thioesters. Thiols react with carboxylic acid, acid chloride or acid anhydride to form thioesters. Reaction with alkyl halide. When heated with alkyl halide, sodium salt of thiols form thioethers. Sixth is reaction with aldehyde and ketones. Thiols undergo condensation with aldehyde and ketones to form mercaptates or thioacetals or mercaptols or thioketals respectively. When treated with mercuric chloride in the presence of cadmium carbonate, the mercaptals and mercaptols regenerate the original aldehyde or ketone. Therefore, like acetals and ketals, mercaptals and mercaptols can also be used for the protection of aldehyde and ketonic group in acidic medium. Seventh is oxidation. Thiols are much more readily oxidized than alcohol and furnish various products depending upon the nature of oxidizing agent employed. First is with mild oxidizing agent. Mild oxidizing agents such as iodine, air, hydrogen peroxide, sodium hypochlorite and cupric chloride oxides thiols to dialkyl disulfide. An alkaline solution of sodium plumbite contains sulfur known as Doctor solution also convert thiols to dialkyl disulfides. Second is with strong oxidizing agents. Strong oxidizing agents such as nitric acid and periodic acid oxidize thiols to sulfonic acid. The behavior of thioalcohols toward oxidation constitution an important point of difference between alcohols and thiols. It is interesting to note that oxidation of alcohol increases the oxidation state of carbon, while oxidation of thiols occurs at the sulfur atom, which undergo an increase in its oxidation state. Eighth is desulfurization. When heated with Raney-nickel, thiols undergo desulfurization, form corresponding hydrocarbons. Raney-nickel is a strong solid which is obtained by dissolving aluminium in nickel-aluminium alloy with some sodium hydroxide. Thioethers. Thioethers may be regarded as dialkyl derivative of hydrogen sulfide or alkyl derivative. Alpha thioalcohols. Compared with ether, they contain a sulfur atom in place of an oxygen atom. Thus, they contain the sulfide group as their functional group and may be represented in general as R, S, R dash, where R and R dash may be same or different. Nomenclature. It is common system. Thioethers are named as dialkyl thioethers or sulfides. In the IUPAC system, they are named as alkyl thioalkanes. The higher carbon chain in the molecule is taken as the parent alkane. The common and the IUPAC names of some thioethers are given below. Structural features. Thioethers, which are regarded as dialkyl derivatives of hydrogen sulfide, resemble hydrogen sulfide in the bonding and the structure of their molecules. Like hydrogen sulfide, the sulfur atom in thioethers is sp3 hybridized and is surrounded by two lone pair and the two bond pair of electrons. As such, thioethers are also bent molecule in which the CSC angle approaches the tetrahedral angle. However, the actual angle depend upon the size of group attached to the sulfur. For example, the CSC angle in dimethyl thioether is 105 degree. It may be seen that the structure of thioether is similar to that of ethers, although CSC angle in them is slightly lesser than COC angle in ethers. Method of formation. Thioethers can be prepared by following methods. First, reaction of alkyl halide with sodium or potassium mercaptide. When alkyl halide are heated with sodium or potassium mercaptide, thioethers are obtained in good yield. It is nucleophilic substitution reaction brought about by thiolate anion Rs negative from sodium or potassium mercaptide, which is one of the best known nucleophile. Primary or secondary alkyl halide or even aryl halide can be used in this reaction, which is similar to Williamson synthesis of ethers. Tertiary alkyl halide are not used because they undergo elimination more readily than they form substitution products. Second is reaction of alkyl halide or potassium alkyl sulfate with sodium or potassium sulfide. Thioethers can also be obtained by heating alkyl halide with sodium or potassium sulfide. Third is from ethers. Ethers on heating with phosphorus pentasulfide form thioethers. Fourth is from thiols. When vapors of thiols are passed over a mixture of Al2O3 and ZnS heated to about 575 Kelvin, thioethers are formed. Fifth is from alkenes. Thioethers can also be obtained by addition of thiols to alkenes in the presence of peroxide. The product obtained is anti-Markovnikov rule. In the absence of peroxide, practically no reaction takes place. Physical property. Physical state. Thioethers are colorless, volatile liquid at room temperature. Unlike thiols, their odor are not highly unpleasant. Second is boiling points. Their boiling points are slightly higher than those of corresponding ethers. This is due to their somewhat higher molecular masses than ethers. Third is solubility. They are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents such as alcohol and ethers. Chemical properties. Even though there is a significant resemblance in the chemical behavior of thioethers and ethers, there are some important differences also between the two classes of compounds. Unlike ethers, thioethers are highly nucleophilic and are easily oxidized as discussed below. First is reaction with alkyl halide. Due to larger size and lesser electronegativity of sulfur, the lone pair of electrons on sulfur are not tightly held and are easily available for sharing. Therefore, thioethers are much more nucleophilic than ethers. As a result, they readily react with alkyl halide by SN2 mechanism to displace the halide ion and form trialkyl sulfonium salt. These salts are stable at room temperature but decompose on heating to give the original substance. The sulfonium salt are crystalline and water-soluble substance. On treatment with moist silver oxide, sulfonium salt gives sulfonium hydroxide. Like quaternary ammonium salt, sulfonium hydroxide are also highly basic and on heating decompose to give a thioether, alkene and water. It is interesting to note that thialkyl sulfonium salt having different alkyl group attached to sulfur can be resolved into enantiomeric form, means superimposable mirror image which are not readily interconvertible. Second is formation of sulfur yields. When treated with a strong base such as N-butyl lithium sulfonium salt, eliminate an alpha hydrogen to form dialkyl sulfonium methylides, commonly known as sulfur yields. Sulfur yields are extremely useful synthetic reagents. Third is oxidation. Due to readiness of sulfur to change into higher oxidation state, thioethers are easily oxidized to first sulfoxide and then sulfones. Oxidation with equimolar amount of mild oxidizing agents such as peroxide or sodium metaperiodote gives rise to sulfoxide. Reaction with excess of hydrogen peroxide or stronger oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate or peroxyacetic acid leads to formation of sulfones. Addition of halogen. Thioethers form dihalogen addition compounds on treatment with halogens. Fifth is reduction. When heated with Rene-nickel, thioethers readily undergo reduction and desulfurization to form alkane. Reaction with metallic salts. Thioethers react with metallic salts such as HgCl2 and stannic chloride to form crystalline salts. Seventh is hydrolysis. On boiling with an alkali, thioethers are hydrolyzed to alcohols and hydrogen sulfide. This reaction also shows that thioethers may be regarded as ester of hydrogen sulfide. Sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid are strongly acidic organic compound which may be regarded as derivative of sulfuric acid in which an OH group has been replaced by an alkyl or aryl group. Thus, they may be represented by general formula RSO2OH or RSO3H, where R denoted an alkyl or aryl group. Simple examples of aliphatic and aromatic sulfonic acids are furnished by methane sulfonic acid, CH3SO2OH, and benzene sulfonic acid, C6H5CO2OH. Nomenclature. Sulfonic acid are named by adding the ending sulfonic acid to the name of the parent compound to which the sulfonic acid group is attached. Structural features. Sulfonic acid are characterized by the presence of group SO2OH or SO3H known as sulfonic acid group in their molecules. The linkage of sulfonic acid group to the rest of molecule involve a direct carbon-sulfur bond as shown below. The hydroxy oxygen is linked to sulfur and hydrogen respectively by single bonds means SOH. However, there is some difference of opinion regarding the representation of bonds between remaining two oxygen and sulfur. There are two main types of representation in use as given below. Whatever the representation used for these sulfur-oxygen bonds, what is important to remember is that those bonds are highly polar and have considerable double bond character. The bonding of sulfur in sulfonic acid can be explained as follows. The sulfur atom in sulfonic acid is in an excited state and sp3 hybridized state. These hybrid orbitals of sulfur form alpha bond with each of 3 oxygen and 1 carbon of alkyl or aryl group. At the same time, d orbital of sulfur undergo d pi p pi overlap with the property oriented p orbital of the 2 oxygen atom as illustrated below. The measurement of bond length and bond energy shows that 2 sulfur oxygen bond have bond order of slightly less than 2. Method of formation. The method generally employed for the formation of aliphatic and aromatic sulfonic acids are given below. Aliphatic sulfonic acid. First, oxidation of thiols. Alkane sulfonic acid can be prepared by oxidation of thiols with strong oxidizing agents such as nitric acid and potassium permanganate. Second is reaction between sodium sulfite and alkyl halide. Strecker reaction. When a mixture of sodium sulfite and alkyl halide is heated, sodium salts of alkane sulfonic acid are obtained. Third is addition of sodium bisulfite to alkenes. Sodium salt of alkane sulfonic acid are also obtained by addition of sodium bisulfite to alkene in the presence of peroxide. Fourth is sulfonation of alkanes. Direct sulfonation of alkanes may be carried out by reaction with forming sulfuric acid, particularly in case of branched chain alkanes in which tertiary carbon atoms are available. But it is not a satisfactory method for preparing alkane sulfonic acid due to occurrence of side reactions. Aromatic sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid having sulfonic acid group directly attached to benzene ring are usually prepared by direct sulfonation. The reagent employed for bringing about sulfonation are called sulfonating reagents. The commonly used sulfonating reagent are concentrated sulfuric acid or fuming sulfuric acid containing varying properties of dissolved sulfur trioxide. Choice of sulfonating reagent and reaction condition. The choice of sulfonating reagent and the reaction condition to be employed in a particular case depend upon the nature of the aromatic compound being sulfonated and the number of sulfonic acid group to be introduced as explained below. First is concentrated sulfuric acid is employed as an sulfonating reagent for activated aromatic compounds such as alkyl benzene and phenols, particularly when only one sulfonic acid group is to be introduced. The temperature employed is not very high in such cases. Second is protopyridinium sulfonate. A mixture of pyridine and sulfur trioxide is used for sulfonating compounds which are sensitive to acids. Third is for the sulfonation of deactivated aromatic compounds such as aryl halide and nitro compounds, or when it is desired to introduce more than one sulfonic acid group which itself is a deactivating group. Oleum is used as the sulfonating reagent. In such cases, heating may have to be done for several hours at high temperature. Fourth is temperature also influences the relative properties of the isomeric products formed in general. When a aromatic compound having an ortho-para-directing group is sulfonated, orthoisomer is the predominant product at lower temperature while the para-isomer predominates at higher temperature. Mechanism of sulfonation. Sulfonation is a typical electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. According to the generally expected view, the attacking electrophilic reagent is sulfur trioxide, which is present as such in oleum or may be produced by dissociation of sulfuric acid. The electrophilic character of SO3 is due to presence of electron deficient sulfur atom, as is obvious from the following contributing structure of its molecule. The complete mechanism may be outlined as follows. First is generation of electrophile. H2SO4 formed SO3 plus H3O positive plus HSO4 negative. Second is formation of carbocations. Third is transfer of proton to form the sulfonic acid anion. Fourth is reaction between sulfonic acid anion and hydronium ion to form the final product. It may be noted that all the steps in the sulfonation process are reversible in nature. Therefore, in order to drive the reaction in the forward direction, we must use a large excess of concentrated or fuming sulfuric acid. The removal of water by reaction with sulfur trioxide further helps the forward process. Physical properties. First is physical state. The lower aliphatic sulfonic acid are liquid while higher membered are colorless solid. Aromatic sulfonic acids are generally low melting colorless crystalline solid. Sulfonic acids are highly hygroscopic, and that is why they are usually stored and used in the form of their salts. Second is boiling points. They have high boiling points and generally decomposed when heated to their boiling points, but they can be distilled in vacuum without decomposition. Third is solubility. Being highly polar compounds, sulfonic acids are freely soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvent. In fact, the solubility of sulfonic acids in water far exceeds that of any other class of organic compounds. For this reason, sulfonic acid group are often introduced in many dyes and drugs to make them water soluble. Chemical properties. As in case of carboxylic acids, the chemical behavior of sulfonic acid is also characterized by the presence of an ionizable hydrogen and a reactive hydroxyl group. Their important reaction are discussed below. Reaction due to ionizable hydrogen. First is acidity. Sulfonic acids are very strong acids comparable to sulfuric acid and are almost completely ionized in aqueous solution to form sulfonate anion and hydronium ion. The acidic character of sulfonic acid is due to the effect of sulfonyl group RSO2 negative on the release of hydrogen ion from the OH group. The presence of two strongly electronegative oxygen atom in the sulfonyl group greatly facilitates the release of hydrogen ion and the formation of a stable sulfonate anion. The sulfonate anion is a resonance hybrid of three equivalent contributing structure in which the negative charge is dispersed over three oxygen atom. As such, it is highly stabilized and is radially formed, which in turn is responsible for the strongly acidic nature of sulfonic acid. Comparison of acidity of sulfonic acid and carboxylic acid. In carboxylic acid, the OH group is attached to an acyl group RCO, which contain only one oxygen. Then the result is that in the carboxylate anion, the negative charge is dispersed over only two oxygen atoms. That it is evident that compared to carboxylate anion, there is greater dispersal of negative charge in sulfonate anion. This appears to be the main reason for the powerful acidity of sulfonic acid as compared to the weakly acidic nature of carboxylic acid. Second is salt formation. Sulfonic acid radially forms salt with base such as hydroxides, carbonates and bicarbonates. Formation of functional derivatives. It is interesting to note that although the two oxygen atoms of sulfonyl group facilitate the ionization of hydrogen from the sulfonic acid, they make the replacement of OH group more difficult. Thus, OH group of sulfonic acid can be directly replaced only one reaction with thionyl chloride or phosphorus chloride to form sulfonite chloride. Other functional derivative of sulfonic acid such as ester and amides cannot be prepared directly. They are obtained from sulfonyl chloride. Third is formation of sulfonyl chloride. Sulfonic acid react with thionyl chloride or phosphorus tri or pentachloride to form sulfonyl chloride. It may be noted that reaction with thionyl chloride take place only in the presence of dimethyl formamide. Fourth is formation of anhydrides. On heating with phosphorus pentoxide, sulfonic acid form corresponding anhydride. Fifth is formation of sulfonic ester and sulfonamides. As already mentioned, the ester and amides of sulfonic acid are usually obtained from sulfonyl chloride. Replacement of sulfonic acid group. Sulfonic acid group is a very good relieving group. As a result, sulfonic acid undergoes several reactions in which the SO3H group is replaced by another atom or group such as HOH, C triple bond and NH2 is illustrated below. Sixth is replacement of SO3H by hydrogen. Desulfonation. When aryl sulfonic acid are heated with dilute mineral acid in the presence of superheated steam at about 425 Kelvin, sulfonic acid group is replaced by hydrogen to form aromatic hydrocarbon and sulfuric acid. Since the reaction involved is reverse of sulfonation, it is known as desulfonation. It has been already stated that sulfonation is reversible process. This means that the mechanism of desulfonation is the reverse of direct sulfonation of aromatic hydrocarbons. Seventh is replacement of SO3H by OH. The fusion of sodium salt of aryl sulfonic acid with sodium hydroxide followed by acidification leads to the formation of phenols. SO3H group getting replaced by OH group. This constitutes a good method for preparation of phenols. Eighth is replacement of SO3H by C triple bond N. When the sodium salt of sulfonic acid is fused with sodium cyanide, SO3H group is replaced by cyanide resulting in the formation of nitriles. For example, the nitriles formed can be easily hydrolyzed to yield amides or carboxylic acids. They can also be reduced to form amines. Ninth is replacement of SO3H by NH2. The fusion of sodium salt of sulfonic acid with sodamide leads to replacement of SO3H group by NH2 with the formation of amines. 10th is replacement of SO3 by SH. Sodium salt of aryl sulfonic acid with sodium hydrosulfide leads to formation of thiophenols. 11th is reaction of aromatic nucleus. Aromatic sulfonic acid undergo usual electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic nucleus. The sulfonic acid group having a deactivating and meta-directing influences. Sulfonamides. Sulfonamides are derivative of sulfonic acid in which OH group of sulfonic acid has been replaced by NH2 group substituted. Sulfonamides carry the group NHR or NR2 in place of NH2. Preparation. Sulfonamides are generally prepared by action of ammonia on corresponding sulfonyl chloride. Properties. Sulfonamides are well-defined crystalline solid and are therefore used to characterize sulfonic acids. Second is they are weakly acidic in nature and react with strong alkalis to form water-soluble salts. They are hydrolyzed on heating with aqueous acid to form sulfonic acid and ammonia. Uses. They are used as a laboratory reagent and in the manufacture of dyes and drugs called sulfa drugs. Sulfaguanidine. Synthesis. It can be synthesized by the following method. Para-aceta-amidobenzene sulfonyl chloride obtained by action of chlorosulfonic acid on acetanilide is treated with guanidine in the presence of 2-propanol at the temperature below 253 Kelvin. The product formed is heated with a dilute mineral acid to hydrolyze the acetyl group and get sulfaguanidine. Second is para-acetamidobenzene sulfonamide is first obtained by the action of chlorosulfonic acid on acetanilide followed by the reaction with ammonia. It is then heated with dicyanodiamine and resulting acetyl derivative is hydrolyzed by heating with a mineral acid to the sulfaguanidine. Cyanoguanidine used in the reaction is a tautomeric mixture obtained by dimerization of cyanamide in the presence of a base. Uses. It is only slightly absorbed in intestine tract and is therefore used in treatment of bacillary dysentery. Synthetic detergent. Synthetic detergent or soapless soaps they are sometimes called are synthetic substances that are being increasingly employed as cleaning agent these days. Unlike soap, detergent can be used satisfactorily even in hard water since they do not form curd-like precipitate in such water. Huge quantities of different type of detergent which differ chemically from soap as well as from one quantity of different type of reagent which differ chemically from soap as well as from one another and now being manufactured and used all over the world. However, all the detergents are similar to soap in that their molecules also have a large non-polar hydrocarbon and that is oil soluble and an ionic and that is water soluble. The typical synthetic detergent are either salt of alkyl sulfate or alkyl benzene sulfonates as described below. First is sodium alkyl sulfate. These detergent consist of sodium alkyl sulfate obtained from long chain alcohols. The first such detergent was made from a 12 carbon straight chain alcohol 1-dodecanol. The alcohol was treated with concentrated sulfuric acid to form a sulfate ester which was neutralized with sodium hydroxide to obtain a detergent known as sodium dodecyl sulfate as such shown below. The long hydrocarbon chain is evidently the non-polar end while the polar end is OSO3 negative Na positive. Second is alkyl benzene sulfonates. The most commonly used detergent these days are linear alkyl benzene sulfonates such as sodium dodecyl benzene sulfonates. They are anionic detergent and are obtained by conversion of benzene into alkyl benzene followed by sulfonation and neutralization as shown below. Cleansing action of soaps and detergent. The cleansing action of soap and detergent depend upon the presence in their molecule of a large non-polar hydrocarbon group which is oil soluble and an anionic such as COO negative, SO4 negative and SO3 negative which is water soluble hydrophilic group. The dirt is generally held to a dirty surface by a thin film of oil or grease which is non-polar. When the dirty surface is placed in soap or detergent solution, the non-polar hydrocarbon end of the soap or detergent dissolve in oil or grease. The ionic end of soap or detergent molecule are left projecting into the surrounding water layer. Due to negative charge of iron and an ionic atmosphere develop around the oil or grease droplet, repulsion between similar charge prevent the oil droplet from coming together and coalescing. The net result is that droplet of oil or grease get dispersed in water to form a emulsion, and this way dirt portion comes out and is washed away by water. Thus, cleansing action of soap or detergent is fundamentally due to its property to act as emulsifying agent in the formation of emulsion of grease and water. So, thank you. It's all about organosulfur compounds. Thank you.